Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best welding gloves you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welding gloves in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Repica welding gloves. Repica is the only brand which offers double reinforced Kevlar layer padding on both fingers, palms, elbow and backs on our welding gloves. This excellent design makes Repica welding gloves being the most extreme heat resistant gloves on the market. Outermost layer, double layer Kevlar padding leather. Intermediate layer, a composite product by laminating a kind of high temperature resistant air isolated aluminum foil and a flame retardant cotton cloth. Inner layer, a 100% soft insulated cotton lining. Flame retardant thread stitching for advanced heat and cold resistance, sweat absorbent, breathable, allergy free. The 16 inches extra long glove with 7.5 inches long sleeve protect your forearms from grinding debris, welding sparks, hot coals and open flames, hot kitchenware and hot steam. Effective even in extreme environments. Recommended for stick welding, SMAW, MIG welding, GMAW, flux core welding, FCAW, forging or other high-temperature applications, provide the most extreme heat protection. The gloves are made from 1.5 millimeters. Thick and soft shoulder split natural cowhide leather which is heat resistant, wear resistant, puncture resistant, cut resistant, oil resistant. Reinforced double leather stitching and high strength sewing on the finger, palm, elbow and back of the hand which is not easy to fall off. For details, let's watch more. Our second best welding gloves is WZQH Leather Welding Work Gloves. This heavy-duty gloves is made of 100% split cowhide leather and 100% cotton lined, which makes it have high abrasion, puncture resistant, high temperature resistant, cut resistance, high flexibility and comfort. The reinforced palm provides extra protection. The adjustable wrist can prevent dirty small things from entering the gloves. When your hands sweat, you don't have to worry about it dyeing your hands. I think you can imagine all this. This husky gloves can be used in many works: garden work, welding, construction, farm, ranch, barn, truck driving, florist, landscaping, electrician, demolition, woodworking, driving, grinding, wood cutting, yard garage shed and warehouse work etc. You can also use it to barbecue, DIY, use the chainsaw and lawnmowers, moving rock, handle the burning fireplace and wood stove, handling wood, barbed wire, iron, etc. X large, large, medium, small, for sizes available. You can use it when weed pulling, using weed whacker, digging, sowing, mixing fertilizer, landscape, potting, pushing the lawnmower or wheelbarrow, pruning, etc. You don't have to worry about being hurt by plants with thorns, such as rose, cactus, wild thistle, poison ivy and oak, bougainvillea thorn, blackberry bushes, palm trees, citrus trees, miniature conifers, stinging nettle plants, thorny weeds, many barberry plants, other prickly vegetation. Coffee gray is simpler and more fashionable than conventional colors. The professional leather processing technology makes the gloves meet the environmental requirements. The safety work gloves are suitable for gardener, carpenter, forestry workers, welder, electrician, trucker, driver, manual workers, blacksmith, ironworker, builder, farmer. This is the first choice for yourself or friends, whether men's or women's. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Lincoln Electric Welding Gloves. The glove design features a high-grade leather exterior, Kevlar threading, leather-reinforced stress points and a fully lined interior to withstand daily exposure to heat, flames, spatter, or sparks. Made of a high-grade leather and soft cotton liner which is designed to withstand and protect against high temperatures. The soft cotton handliner and straight thumb design enhances comfort and fingertip sensitivity. The inside cuff is lined with a twill cotton which absorbs moisture during use. This glove model is used by professional fabricators on a daily basis. The traditional welding gloves are made of heat and flame-resistant split leather for use in all types of welding, cutting, and other tasks. The inside of the glove has a full cotton liner to provide heat resistance and to absorb moisture for added comfort. To increase durability, the glove is stitched with high-strength Kevlar thread and all seams are reinforced with leather to prevent tears or rips. This design has been proven to last in professional fabrication environments. Designed for various applications, the complete leather outside construction protects the hands and wrist from spatter, flames and sparks while also providing heat resistance. Each seam of the glove is reinforced with a piece of leather, called a welt, to prevent tears and increase durability. The cotton hand liner provides heat resistance and comfort while the cotton twill inside cuff liner absorbs moisture. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is TOPDC welding gloves. The gloves are made from 1.2 millimeters thick and 100% natural cowhide leather and leather reinforced stress point makes it more abrasion resistant, tear resistant, puncture resistant, cut resistant and oil resistant. Reinforced Kevlar and double leather stitching and high strength sewing on the palm of the hand, not easy to fall off. A fully lined interior to withstand daily exposure to heat, flames, spatter, or sparks. These gloves are guaranteed to withstand extreme temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Superior comfort 100% soft insulated cotton-lined interior makes gloves have better heat resistance, cold resistance, sweat absorption, and breathable during use. Straight thumb design enhances comfort and fingertip sensitivity. Recommended for stick welding, SMAW, MIG welding, GMAW, flux cord welding, FCAW, or other high-temperature applications. Ideal for forge, grill, barbecue, stove, oven, fireplace, cooking, baking, pruning flowers, gardening, camping, campfire, furnace, whitewash, warehousing, handling animals, etc. Whether working a kitchen, garden, backyard, or outdoor. The 14 inches long glove with 5.7 inches long sleeve protect your forearms from grinding debris, welding sparks, hot coals and open flames, hot kitchenware and hot steam. Effective even in extreme environments. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best welding gloves list is Lincoln Electric Leather Welding Gloves. Lincoln Electric KH641 leather welding gloves are heat and flame resistant, have a comfortable cotton lining, fully welted seams, and lock stitch construction. Made of chemical resistant material for long lasting wear and to protect hands and fingers from the high heat of welders and cutting torches. Features a long 13.5 inch gauntlet style design for extra protection against fire, sparks and grinding. Designed for wear with MIG and stick welding applications. Gloves have a wing thumb for greater flexibility and feature Kevlar stitching. Exterior is made of split cowhide grade A leather. Interior lining is made of cotton fleece. Welding gloves are guaranteed to withstand extreme temperatures up to 932 degree F, 500 degrees Celsius. The top quality 3 layers, 1. Outer layer, 1.3 millimeters thick cowhide leather, 2. Fire/heat protection layer, air isolated aluminum foil, 3. Skin layer, insulated cotton lining, along with welted seams and lining, ensure that your hands are 100% protected from the extreme elements that you work with on a daily basis. This welding gloves are made from top-grain cowhide. Cowhide is durable as well as heat and flame resistant for working at high temperatures. It is versatile and is known to provide a balance of durability, dexterity, abrasion resistance, and comfort. Cowhide enables gloves to have better control and movement when working. You won't feel like you are wearing something to protect you from fire. For details, let's watch more.